Yesterday was Saturday.
Yesterday was Saturday.
I was at the cinema yesterday.
I was at the cinema yesterday.
The film was interesting.
The film was interesting.
Today is Sunday.
Today is Sunday.
I'm not working today.
I'm not working today.
I'm staying at home.
I'm staying at home.
Tomorrow is Monday.
Tomorrow is Monday.
Tomorrow I will work again.
Tomorrow I will work again.
I work at an office.
I work at an office.
Who is that?
Who is that?
That is Peter.
That is Peter.
Peter is a student.
Peter is a student.
Who is that?
Who is that?
That is Martha.
That is Martha.
Martha is a secretary.
Martha is a secretary.
Peter and Martha are friends.
Peter and Martha are friends.
Peter is Martha's friend.
Peter is Martha's friend.
Martha is Peter's friend.
Martha is Peter's friend.